Embracing the spirit of the dead, the celebration of life. A colorful encounter with death. Imagine walking down vibrant streets filled with marigold flowers, colorful decorations, and the sweet smell of bread. It is as if the air dances with life, even though the occasion is about death. This is the essence of Dia de los Muertos, or the Day of the Dead, a unique Mexican tradition. Dia de los Muertos is not a day to mourn, but to celebrate the lives of those who have passed away. Families come together to remember their loved ones with joy, love, and laughter. Instead of sadness, they share stories, food, and memories, keeping the spirits of the deceased alive in their hearts. On this special day, the boundaries between the living and the dead seem to disappear. People believe that during these days, the spirits of their loved ones return to visit. This belief creates a celebration filled with colors, music, and life. Creating altars, a labor of love. One of the most important parts of Dia de los Muertos is the creation of altars, known as ofrendas. Families build these altars in their homes or at grave sites to honor their deceased. Each altar is unique and filled with things the departed loved. Ofrendas have photographs, candles, and colorful papel picado, or perforated paper. Families include favorite foods and drinks, as well as special items that remind them of their loved ones. These personal touches make each altar special and full of love. Traditionally, altars are decorated with marigold flowers. The bright orange color symbolizes the sun and life, leading the spirits home. This beautiful connection between life and death is a core part of this celebration. Traditional foods inspired by love. Food plays a significant role in Dia de los Muertos. Families prepare favorite dishes of the deceased, creating a feast that brings everyone together. Special bread called pan de muerto, or bread of the dead, is a must-have. Pan de muerto is soft, sweet bread shaped like a skull or bones, often decorated with sugar. Eating this bread is not just for enjoyment, but a way to feel close to those who have passed. It's a reminder that love continues even after death. The sharing of food on this day symbolizes sharing love and memories. It brings families together in a joyous atmosphere, filled with laughter and the joy of living. The beats of traditional music. Music is essential during the celebration. Traditional songs and lively mariachi music fill the streets. Festivals and parades are alive with rhythms that elevate the spirit of the festivities. People dance and celebrate together, creating an atmosphere of happiness and unity. This lively music transforms even the saddest memories into joyful moments, reflecting the belief that life and death are connected. The joyful sounds symbolize that death is not the end, but a part of life's journey. Busting myths about death. Many people think that Dia de los Muertos is simply a Mexican version of Halloween. However, this is a common misconception. Unlike Halloween, which often focuses on fear and ghosts, Dia de los Muertos is filled with love and celebration. While Halloween has its spooky themes, Dia de los Muertos honors life and death with joy. It reminds people that death is a natural part of life, and remembering loved ones is a way to celebrate their impact and presence in the world. Understanding this key difference opens a new perspective on how cultures view life and death. A day for everyone. While Dia de los Muertos is deeply rooted in Mexican culture, it is celebrated by many people worldwide. Different communities adapt the tradition in their own unique ways, blending local cultures with this vibrant celebration. Participating in Dia de los Muertos brings a sense of connection, understanding, and respect. It encourages people of all backgrounds to come together and remember those they have lost. This celebration teaches us that while people may be gone, the love and memories they leave behind continue to thrive. Your experience with Dia de los Muertos. Have you ever participated in a celebration like Dia de los Muertos? Or do you have a tradition in your culture that honors the deceased? Sharing stories can be a wonderful way to connect with others. Understanding how different cultures celebrate life and remember the dead enriches our lives and perspectives.